Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to enable mobile deposits on Fliff app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Enabling mobile deposits on the Fliff app involves setting up a payment method and ensuring your account setting is ready to process deposits. So what you need to do is download and install the Fliff app, head over to your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in Fliff, and then once it loads, tap on the app and then tap on the get button or install button to download the app. Now once downloaded, open the Fliff app and log in with a registered email and password. If you don't have an account, sign up and complete the registration process. Once that's done, tap the wallet or deposit icon usually found in the app's navigation bar, select add funds or a similar option. Now choose a preferred payment method to enable deposits like credit or debit card, bank account and digital wallet. Once that's done, Fliff may require you to verify the payment method. For cards, a small authorization charge may appear on your statement for verification. For bank accounts, Fliff might use micro deposits to confirm your account. Complete the verification process as instructed. Once a payment method is added, you'll see the option to enable mobile deposits. Ensure the app has the permission to process payments via selected method. Agree to the terms and conditions related to deposits. Once that's done, select the amount you want to deposit, confirm the deposit details and complete transaction. Your account balance should update immediately or within a short time. If deposit fails, check that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Ensure the billing address matches your account details. Contact a bank or card issuer to confirm they allow online gaming transactions as well. Contact Fliff support if needed. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.